Alright, there's some crabbing. Well, you never have to go to the store to buy any crabbers. There you go. You can just borrow one of those. What do you think anybody could use those if they wanted to? Well, they ain't no good no more. Look, they left crabs in there. Is that what smells? That's what smells. Why didn't they take the crabs out, huh?
My uncle has a lot of his stock everywhere.
I wish we could just borrow one of these boats. You know what I'm going to ask? I hope somebody comes out. Now this is an ugly boat with a brand, it looks like a, not a brand new engine, but it looks like a pretty good engine. I'd rather fix this one up. Look, the Miss Nini. Oh yeah, I like this one.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. She doesn't have a motor and she's taking on water. Nobody cares about this one.
Poor Miss Nini.
Oh God, I'm glad we come out here. Look.
Barbara.
Look.
Miss Barbara. Miss Barbara J.
Look at this one, guys.
Oh,
Now I like looking at this. See.
poor thing. Nobody loves her.
Two ships right beside each other. That's pretty cool right there. I love how that looks. I'm surprised she's still floating. What's her name? Miss Barbara.
Miss Barbara L. And there's Miss Barbara J over there.
Oh, they're right beside each other.
Right beside each other.
And where did this used to be?
This they use for shrimping. Yep.
I'm talking about sharking for a living.
Yeah, that's shrimping. I used to go shrimping with my uncle. You go out, you let the nets out. But his has two things on it, two prongs that come out.
Uh-huh.
And it drops the net and drags it behind.
Scary.
And then there's a nest over there.
A nest? What you mean?
Bird's nest.
Okay, well come here. I got a challenge for you. I want to see you get up on the Barbara over and make it over to the other one. So let's. No, seriously, this is the mothball fleet.
This is the town.
Yeah, somebody pulled up though, so we'll wait. But yeah, do you think you could get on the Miss Barbara and make it over to the Barbara J?
You could walk around.
How would you do it? I'm gonna cut the camera off. Guys, look at that. Wonder what the story is with them cups. So we got a challenge, but this stupid truck over here. Here, he won't know I'm filming him. Wait a minute.
He's watching us.
Huh?
He's watching us.
You think so?
Yeah. So what you do before you start this body?
Oh no. This first, guys, we were over there. Now we're over here. Yeah, this first boat's not used, I wouldn't think. If it's still used, they ought to be ashamed of themselves, because no, it's not used. Look at this, hon. I might have to get you to get in there for me and film it. Gotta look out for wasps though. This is the Sundog. It's still used because it's pretty clean, don't you think?
Well, they've got, yeah, they're using this for industry.
What's the name of it? The Sunk Dog? Marcy Elise.
Oh, look at that. Yep.
What? What are the pants?
oyster beds.
Why is the oh, that ain't the steering wheel. That's something.
No, I'm thinking they're doing shrimp. No, not shrimping. They're doing oyster bed. They're doing something. Well, of course they're doing something.
Probably can't.
Looking for someone to go tap from still working for others that are trying to share some time. You, my wife, and I are down.
What now?
They're looking for someone to buy crabs from.
All right, let me see you do two things, huh? I got a challenge for you. Ready?
Okay.
All right, the first one is not being used anymore. I just need you to get over in there and see if you can open that door. Oh, and this is Surrey, Virginia. The Sundog. No, that ain't that one. Camera's on.
There.
No, camera's on. Oh, go slow, go slow. Is that this place to sleep in there?
Yes.
Is it still being used?
No.
Show the dials and stuff. Okay, let me hear it. Guys, she has accepted the challenge to go from the Barbara, what is it called? The Miss Barbara over to the Barbara J. Here we go. She said, what is the worst that could happen? Okay. See if you can open that door.
That I'm not going to be able to do that.
How come?
Because that is filled with water.
Okay, come here. Can you come here?
Hold on. Just gotta get my bearings.
Oh, you gotta use your hands. Is that a motor?
Yes.
That's pretty right there. Okay, here you go. Why don't you challenge me? Want to see me jump across?
Jump across and swim over there.
No, I'm talking about from here to here. Why are you walking so slow? All right, come here and jump. Could you make that or no? I know I could.
Get closer.
All right, give me your. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Let me pull you closer.
Yes.
All right, come on. Very good. Ain't no need of just asking the girl to do something. Don't come with me though, okay? Because I don't want the extra weight. That's split. You see it?
Yeah. Careful right there.
That was brittle.